So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makakakuha ng free smack points araw-araw. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if once learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, para makakuha tayo ng free smack points, unang-una is kailangan syempre meron tayong smack card or SM Advantage card. So, dapat guys, yan is nakaregister sa mismong name ninyo para ma-connect natin siya dito sa ating mobile device. So, para ma-connect guys, ang unang-una kailangan nyo lang is mag-download ng Smack and Shop app sa Google Play Store. And after nyo ma-download sa Google Play Store yung Smack and Shop app, open nyo lang and then i-connect nyo yung inyong SM Advantage card dito sa ating Smack and Shop app. So, ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong card details sa Smack, then yung name and contact number. So, yung akin kasi guys is nakalagin na yung account ko dito sa Smack and Shop. Since nga meron din akong SM Advantage card and naka-fully registered siya sa akin. So, ayan guys, nag-auto login na yung aking Smack and Shop app. So, once na may ganito kayo guys sa inyong mobile device, dito mamamonitor nyo yung inyong points kung ilan na ba and kung ilang points yung pumapasok sa inyo kada swipe ng inyong SM Advantage card. So, kung makikita nyo guys, meron ako dyang 449.83 points. So, para magkaroon tayo guys ng 3 points araw-araw, ang gagawin nyo lang guys dito sa pinakang homepage, i-tap nyo lang itong play. So, tap nyo to. And ayan guys, dito lalabas yung free prizes ni Smack. And take note guys, available lang itong 3 points araw-araw simula April 24 to May 10, 2026. So, nakalagay dyan is, take a plunge and win up to 1,000 smack points. So, ayan guys, pwede daw tayong manalo up to 1,000 smack points. So, ito guys is nare-refresh araw-araw. So, araw-araw meron tayong chance na manalo ng 1,000 smack points. So, para makapaglaro, ang gagawin nyo lang is itatap nyo itong Get Your Summer Surprise. So, tap nyo lang to guys. Wait nyo lang. And pindutin nyo itong mga salbabida na to. Lalabas dyan yung pinakang price natin. So, ayan. Wait nyo lang. And kung makikita nyo, congratulations! You won 1 smack point. Points will be credited to your account within the same day. So, ayan guys. Nanalo ulit tayo ng 1 smack point. So, araw-araw guys, pwede kayong maglaro dito. And araw-araw, meron kayong chance makakuha hanggang 1,000 points. So, close na natin. Check natin guys. Kung makikita nyo, refresh nyo lang. Pumasok na agad dito kasi same day din papasok sa ating app yung ating smack point. So, naging 450 na siya kasi kanina 449 lang. So, ayun lang guys, ganyan kasimple kung paano nga ba makakuha ng free smack points araw-araw. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.